Your desktop will look like this.
So firstly we will download all the required files, so you have to head to the description below and navigate to the first link. Now download the rainmeter from here. Navigate to the second link and download this drive file from here. Now, go to the third link and download this weather animated rainmeter skin. Navigate towards the fourth link and download retrocolor rainmeter skin from this website. After downloading all these files, you have to navigate to the downloads folder. Now install the rainmeter as shown. This rainmeter has some default skins, so unload all of them. Now, install both of the downloaded rainmeter skins. Now we have to extract the zip file presented here. So, extract it. Now open this folder, go to More folder. Now copy both of these files. Go to Documents, then Rainmeter, Skins folder, and paste it here. Now, go to the Start and open the Microsoft Store. Search for the Lively wallpaper. Now download and install it. I have downloaded it previously, so open the Lively wallpaper. Now, click on Add Wallpaper. Now browse. Go to Downloads folder and open this Demon Slayer desktop theme folder. Select this zip file. Now the theme has been inserted. Click on it to apply the live wallpaper. Right-click on the desktop and hide all the icons from your desktop. Go to Settings and select Light. From here, right-click on the taskbar and go to the taskbar settings. Now, turn on the Automatically Hide the taskbar. Go to the taskbar tray and open the rainmeter. Make sure to refresh it. Now, load all of the skins as shown and place them accordingly on your desktop. You can change the size of any widget by scrolling your mouse cursor. Right-click on the weather and click on Edit the variables. Select Notepad. Now you have to change this IP to the one given in the description. I will give this address in the description. Go to this website lat.long and search your city or area. Now copy the latitude and longitude and paste it here. Make sure to save the notepad. Now refresh the weather skin and it will start working. Enjoy your Demon Slayer anime desktop. I have uploaded a variety of desktop themes on PC tutorials. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment box.